So I broke my only T45 and the races come on in 20 minutes. I've been out here for a few hours, and I'm gonna stop because I want to watch the races and I need to go get a T45. Still have a crap ton to do, but we're gonna stop here and show you guys what's up. So here's the bike. These wheels are going on it. I still got a dirt trick sprocket I gotta put on there. That's what I need my T45 for. I'm gonna clean the wheels up. I got a brand new tire for it. This is going on the front. Still gotta clean it up, put the new rotor on it, because the old rotors are going on the Woods bike. And I also decided that since we're getting ready to go to training and it's a sand and clay track, I am not going to put the motocross suspension on this bike. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this bike. That way we can train on the old bike. And then when it comes time for a Woods race, we'll put the Woods suspension back on it. And then this bike will be strictly for motocross. And that way we can keep her somewhat in good shape. But yeah, still got clean up the wheels, new tire, put the dirt trick sprocket on. Still got to put the seat cover on, put the arc levers, put my Hammer whole shot device on, put the suspension on it. I've also got a purple pad that I'm going to put on here. I just threw that one on there because I want to see what it looks like. And I end up knocking this bike over. But yeah, this is where we're at. And I'm done for now, at least until the races are over with. And then I'll probably be out here until about 2 in the morning working on this thing. I got to show you this exhaust. It looks so sick. Brand new Pro Circuit exhaust with a carbon shorty silencer that I got for half off. I actually got online to order a regular one and they had this one on sale for Memorial Day. So I was like, oh yeah, we're getting a good one. But yeah, you get the idea what it's going to look like. Purple bar pad, purple wheels. I ran out of money, so no graphics. I'm probably going to get Rocky Mountain number plates or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, not a bad start.